Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to turn your Facebook profile into a professional profile. First, open Facebook and go to your profile. Then tap on the three-dot menu below your profile information. Look for the three-dot menu below your profile information, and if professional mode is available for your account, then select turn on professional mode. Facebook will show you information about the feature that become available, such as professional tool, insights, and audience building features. Then review the information and tap turn on to confirm. So that was how to switch your Facebook profile to professional mode. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.